Hey, how we doing, everybody? Here at Dash Trucks, we've got another walk around video for you. If you like what you're watching, folks, drop us a like. And if you want to stay up to date on our inventory, then you make sure you hit that subscribe button and you turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to know, because we post every single truck and vehicle that we have here on our YouTube channel. So you be sure to subscribe and stay up to date there if you'd like. But anyway, today's going to be a 2021 International MV607. This is a 26-foot box truck with a dual-piston liftgate and a ramp. And we'll go ahead and get started here. It's a one-owner vehicle. It has 190,994 miles. It's been fully reconned, and what we mean by that is we've checked every single component that we could. We even DOT inspected the vehicle, all the suspension components, the braking components, of course the engine and the transmission, and we make sure that they're functioning at crisp condition. We'll go ahead and get started here with the tire up front, which has plenty of life, your steer tire. It's a fairly new truck. It's in very, very good condition. This truck's got a 70-gallon diesel tank. It also does have an air seat. The controls over here, but that's a sneak peek at that beautiful interior, which we'll check out there in a little bit. Checking out these rear dual tires. You do have a leaf suspension. Checking out that box, you do have an aluminum roof, and up there are your dome lights for any night operations you may have. Now this box is loaded. You've got two E-tracks on both sides. You do have kickboards on both sides, and then tie-down planks all around as well. Box is in great condition. And we'll go ahead and put that dual-piston MAXON 3,300 pound capacity liftgate to use here. Onto the passenger side. This truck's GVWR is going to be 25,999 pounds, which makes this vehicle non-CDL, meaning you don't need a CDL license to drive this 26-foot box truck. You could do that with just your regular driver's license. This vehicle does have air brakes as well. I know it's a big deal for lots of folks, especially if you're going up to the mountains and delivering and whatnot. Very clean interior here. It is. It's in great condition. Again, here's that air ride seat control, and that's going to be for the driver's seat. You can carry two passengers here as well, and that's going to be on that bench seat. The interior is in great condition. Let's go ahead and hop on inside, start her up, and we'll go through some of the features. Let her do the cycle. Do all the checks. All right, well, no lights on the dash. Here's your 190,994 miles. Let's go ahead and go through the features now. So you do have cruise control, which is awesome. Down over here, you have your liftgate operation switch. So to operate that liftgate, you're going to need to make sure that that's engaged. And then you have your 6-gear disabling switch. I know for some folks that this is a big deal. Basically, what this does is it doesn't allow your transmission to go into 6th gear. Over here, you have trans mode, which is basically just Econ Mode. You'll see it pop up over here. What this does is it allows your transmission to shift at lower RPMs, which can save you a lot on fuel economy and whatnot, especially if you're just cruising down straight road. I know there's multiple different uses for this as well. Right on here is your radio. You do have a USB port and aux port as well. Here's at 12 volt, and then you have another USB over there. Awesome. Again, air brakes. Right on. Let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, and you've got the 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6 diesel engine. Beautiful, strong engine. This is coupled with that 6-speed Allison transmission. Now, as I said earlier, all the filters and fluids have been checked and replaced if deemed necessary. As y'all may or may not know, on these engines, we've seen them last anywhere from 400,000 to 1,000,000 miles, of course, all depending on the amount of care that you give the engines. All right, and with that, the walk-around video for this 2021 International MV607 is concluded. If you guys like what you're watching, make sure you subscribe. Give us a like if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle. I'll leave a general information list about this specific vehicle in the description of this video. Be aware that we have multiple units very identical to this one in our inventory, and you'll also find our phone number and the link to our website, where you can find the whole entire listing with all of its information in the description here. You can go ahead and call us anytime as well. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Right on, folks. Well, you guys have a great one. Take care.